What are you doing?
Well, I am measuring the diameter of the ball bearing, and later I'll measure the length of this string.
You know that you should not use the meter rule to measure the diameter of a ball bearing, right? The string is fine with the meter rule, but not the ball bearing.
Why not?
It would not be accurate enough. You need to use a measuring instrument that gives you more accurate readings, which is a micrometer screw gauge in the case of a small ball bearing. A meter rule is used to measure longer things, such as the length of a string, like that. Yeah.
But there are so many numbers and dials. How do you even use this thing?
Before using the micrometer screw gauge, are you sure you know how to use something more basic, like the meter rule?
Of course. Let me show you. The larger markings represent lengths in centimeters, whereas the smaller markings represent lengths in millimeters.
Indeed. And also, the meter rule's smallest division is usually 1 millimeter. Since it is pretty long, you can measure things up to 1 meter with it, as the name implies.
Yep. So to use it, you just place the things you want to measure from the 0 cm mark and...
Hang on. You have to straighten the string properly. The meter rule can only measure things that are perfectly straight. This is one key thing you need to remember when using the ruler. Also, do remember to take the reading perpendicularly. In other words, directly above the markings of the ruler. The same should apply to the measuring tape as well.